Algebra 2, Systems of Equations, Guided Practice 1. So you see we have a system of two equations. Try to solve the system of equations in a minute. Clock starts now. For this problem, the answer is a equals 1, b equals negative 1.5. If you didn't get the answer, check out part 2 for hints on how to solve the problem and try again. So if you didn't get the correct answer of a equals 1, b equals negative 1.5, start by picking a variable to eliminate. Then manipulate, aka change an equation to set up your elimination. Remember, you have to change the whole equation. You can't just do one side of it. Add or subtract your equations to eliminate your chosen variable, to get rid of the chosen variable. Now you got to solve for the remaining variable. You've gotten rid of one variable. You've got one left. Now you got to solve for it. Once you've solved for that variable, back substitute the answer into one of the equations so that you can solve for the other variable. Try it again. Clock starts now. So if you did not get the correct answer of a equals 1 and b equals negative 1.5, then check out part 3, where I take you step by step through the process of solving the system of equations. So we have a system of two variables, and I am choosing to eliminate variable a. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to manipulate the top equation so that when I subtract the two equations, I get rid of a. And the way I do that is to multiply the whole equation, right, the left-hand part and the right-hand part, by 2. And when I do that, I get 10a plus 4b equals 4, and 10a plus 6b equals 1. Now, when I subtract the two equations from each other, what I'm left with is negative 2b equals 3. I solve for b, and the way I do that is to divide both sides by negative 2, which gives me b equals negative 3/2, otherwise known as negative 1.5, otherwise known as negative 1.5. Now, I back substitute that value of b into one of the equations. Let's just pick the first equation, although you could certainly do it for the second equation. I get 5a equals 2 times negative 1.5 equals 2, which gives me 5a minus 3 equals 2. I add 3 to both sides to get rid of the minus 3. I'm left with 5a equals 5. I divide both sides by 5 to get a equals 1, and there's my answer. A equals 1, b equals -1.5.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.